In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a zero spread account on Exness. To get started, you'll need to log into your Exness personal area. This is, of course, assuming you've already gone through the registration process and completed verification. If you haven't done that yet, make sure you have that squared away first. Your personal area is your command center on Exness, where you can manage your accounts and settings, so getting comfortable navigating it is key. Once you're logged in, head over to the My Accounts section. It might be labeled slightly different, like Accounts or Account Management, depending on any recent updates, but the idea remains the same. Here, you'll want to find the option that lets you create or open new account. This is where the magic starts. Within the list of account types presented to you, look specifically for the zero or zero spread account option. The zero spread account is particularly appealing to many traders because, as its name suggests, it often allows for tighter spreads, potentially offering cost-saving advantages in your trading activities. Next, you'll need to select your trading platform. Typically, you'll see options like MT4 or MT5. Both have their own sets of strengths, and choosing between them often boils down to personal preference or the specific tools you plan to use. If you're unsure, MT5 is the more modern platform offering more features, but MT4 remains a favorite for its simplicity and familiarity. Moving on, you'll be prompted to choose your account currency. This can usually be your local currency or a major one like the US dollar. After that, set your leverage according to your trading strategy and risk appetite. An important detail here is to also create a trading password. Make this strong yet memorable. Security is paramount. Before you can begin trading, you'll need to make an initial deposit. The amount is subject to the minimum requirements for your region, but generally speaking, you should prepare to deposit at least $200. This threshold allows you to fully engage with the zero spread accounts features. After funding your account, you'll find it active and ready for use. Now, it's just a matter of logging into your preferred trading platform, whether MT4 or MT5, with the credentials you've just set up. From there, you can start taking advantage of the zero spread conditions that attracted you to this account type in the first place. So, there you have it. Opening a zero spread account on Exness is a straightforward process once you know where to click and what selections to make. Remember, each step is a building block to getting started on what could potentially enhance your trading journey. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just exploring new options, I hope this guide brings you one step closer to your trading goals. Thank you for watching.